There's something incredibly frustrating about cooking a great meal, only to have the entire kitchen filled with lingering smoke and smell for hours. Greasy cabinets, noisy fans, and those clunky filters that constantly need cleaning. It's not the most pleasant part of the cooking experience. That's exactly what got us curious about the CleaDeep P1 IQV range hood. It promises smarter air, instant smoke capture, and a cleaner kitchen environment. So we got one, installed it, and have been using it daily. Now here's our full hands-on review after living with it, cooking with it, and cleaning up after it. Right out of the box, the CleaDeep P1 felt premium. Everything was neatly packed and protected, and the stainless steel finish with that sleek tempered glass baffle looked surprisingly high-end. Inside, we found the kitchen hood itself, a hanging plate, a 150mm outlet duct, the oil cup, air vent, a pair of smoke screens, and a full set of mounting hardware. The instruction manual was clear, which made us feel more confident before even starting the install. We decided to handle the install ourselves, and overall it went pretty smoothly. The hanging plate mounted easily, and lining up the hood didn't require a second set of hands, but we recommend having someone nearby to make the lift easier. Once mounted, we connected the 150mm duct, plugged it in, and just like that, it powered on. Setup took us under an hour. The only thing we adjusted later was the hood height to get the best airflow coverage for our stove. Visually, it blended in beautifully with the kitchen. It's clean and minimal, but that front glass strip gives it just enough personality. It didn't scream for attention, but it made the cooktop area look sharper. We didn't hold back on testing. Our first meal under the CleaDeep P1 was a garlic chili stir-fry, something that usually sends smoke and oil vapor into every corner of the kitchen. But this time, we were stunned. The second the smoke rose off the wok, it got pulled straight into the hood. There was no lingering haze, no greasy air, and we didn't need to open a window for the first time in ages. That high-speed suction really does kick in fast, and it's not just about power, it's smart too. Thanks to the IQV technology and PM 2.5 sensor, the hood monitors air quality in real time. We watched the air quality reading spike as we started cooking, then watched it drop as the smoke cleared. It felt like we had our own personal air purifier built into the stove. One of the best parts? It delivers powerful suction while keeping noise levels low. Even when we cranked it up to the highest of its 4 fan speeds during heavy frying, we could still hold a conversation. No shouting, no turning up the music, it just ran in the background without drawing attention to itself. The 4-speed control gave us plenty of flexibility. Simmering on low heat, the first level did the job. Stir-frying or grilling, we just swiped up to increase the speed. Speaking of swiping, the gesture control surprised us. It worked reliably. Wave your hand to adjust fan speed and it responds instantly. No smudges on the surface, no need to touch anything when your hands are greasy. Another small but thoughtful feature is the lighting. The LED strip is soft even and flicker-free, which made cooking in the evenings much more pleasant. It doesn't glare, and it lights up just enough of the stovetop without washing out the whole area. We didn't expect to notice the lighting so much. We really came to appreciate it. Now let's talk about the part nobody enjoys, cleaning. That's where the CleaDeep P1 really shines. There are no filters to deal with, no soaking, no scrubbing, no replacing. The stainless steel surface resists fingerprints, and the silicone-coated interior just needs a quick wipe. We've been giving it a light clean every few days, and so far, it's stayed spotless with minimal effort. The transparent oil cup is also a smart touch. You can see exactly when it's time to empty it. No guesswork, no taking anything apart. Pull it out, dump it, pop it back in. Done in under a minute. Even after the cooking's done, the CleaDeep P1 doesn't just shut off and call it a day. It's got a 3-minute delay shutoff feature that continues pulling in any leftover fumes or odors after we've stepped away. By the time we're cleaning up or plating food, the air already feels cleaner. There's no lingering smell in the curtains or hallway, and that's a huge plus, especially in an open-plan home like ours. Over the past few weeks, we've found that all the little smart features actually make a big difference. The anti-leakage air curtain and tempered glass baffle do a great job containing smoke right at the stovetop. Even when we were cooking on the front burners, where smoke usually escapes, it stayed locked in and got pulled into the hood. No eye-watering fumes, no sticky residue settling on nearby cabinets. It's also reassuring to know that the hood is constantly monitoring what's in the air. The PM 2.5 display isn't just a number. It's real-time feedback on how well the hood is working. And every time we watch those numbers drop, it reinforces that this isn't just a fancy fan. It's actively protecting the air we breathe. To be honest, we didn't expect a range hood to change how our kitchen feels. But the CleaDeep P1 did exactly that. It's powerful when it needs to be, ensures strong suction, and easy to use in every way. We don't miss scrubbing filters, we don't miss the noise, and we definitely don't miss the smoke drifting into the living room. If you cook regularly, especially in an open or family-centered kitchen, and you're tired of loud, ineffective hoods that only do half the job, the CleaDeep P1 is a serious upgrade. It's clean, smart, and does exactly what it promises, with zero fuss. So that's our hands-on experience with the CleaDeep P1 IQV range hood. If you've got questions, or want to know how it holds up over longer use, drop them below. We'll be happy to share more.